guys, welcome back to a new video. Mystic here with a new video. Well, as you can see, the Rain Cosmetics are back, so we're gonna be showcasing them. So let's showcase them because that's the point of the video. Oh, why I'm in a public server? The servers are down.
Oh, scary. Okay, scary, okay, I'll give you scary. Hold up, I'll give you scary.
The caretaker is here, the caretaker is coming, the caretaker is here, the caretaker is coming, the caretaker is here, the caretaker is...
What up?
Don't be afraid, my dear campers. I have great news.
Egg. What the heck? Bro! Bruh! I'm gonna touch him after I finish this video. Gold boots? What I like. What can I see? You see the basement update. Cloud boots. Hint, hint. Before the cloud update. This is the sun. This one.
Spider-Man.
Colorful. I actually have this one.
It's like big dum-dums.
And this one.
Wait! Something just... What?
Wait a minute.
Yeah. When I always put the camera on, it should be the red thing. What's that
If
popping up?
Mary Poppins can fly with the umbrella.
That is so cool. 5, 6,
Since I own it,
kicks.
I can just rob it. If I already own one. Mary Poppins, if I'm correct, Mary Poppins can fly with the umbrella, correct? So, I should be able to, right? Let's go. There's no difference. Let's keep going. Well, that's gonna be all. Yeah, that's gonna be all for this video.
It's Ramadan. I'm
Hope
chilling
you
with my
liked
mom.
it. See you later. Hope you enjoy. I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe to help me. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Also, the golden umbrella will be starting to be in all my videos.